Everyone, respected teachers and fellow students. I have been honored to speak here with my group Unstoppable Volunteers. I feel honored to speak here and the opportunity will not come. You want to make it. We all trying to impress you with our fabulous topic from chapter Types of Organization. Now I would like to invite first Nagesh for presenting the organization.
Good evening, all of us, and my respected sir. Today I am here to present the topic types of organization. I am tell you the importance and what is the use of organization in the businesses. You can see businesses organization in all the form of businesses like sole proprietorship, partnership, company, and etc. In sole proprietorship, we can say that one person, but he manage all the function of the businesses. So it is also a form of organization. Organization helps the company to achieve their goals, to make and diversify the businesses and improve their growth. As the organization helps the business has their only motive objective is the profit, to earn profit. Every business come in the market to earn some amount of profit. By that they can grow. For fulfilling these objectives, they make small objectives like anything, diversification, making their businesses or grow. For example, Apple. When they come, they only introduce in electronical market, but after that they also manufacturing iPhone, Mac, and many things. By that they can earn profit and many things. And after that they in organization you assign the duties to the individual or department. Department can be in your company or outside the department, outside sources. After that assigning the department, you assign the duties. What will their duties and what. After that you make the spare. Who will work under them. By that you can ensure that there is a good environment in the business and there is the full use of human resources in the business and there is no clash between the departments or individual power. After they have their own profit and important make the profit and for we take example of PSU like BSNL, it does not have a good organization. When you go to take internet any services, you see a lack of problem or your time consumption. By that they come in the market, they lose their market cap. And for example, Geo came in last few years, but they have a wonderful organization in their.
Next one is Vedant and Mohit Sharma to presenting a topic significance of organization.
So, namaste to everyone. My name is Rajat Patil.
And my name is Mohit Sharma. Good morning, all of you. Our topic is significance of organization. First, management and administration. The organization have good management and administration for work, and they manage the work.
It helps in the growth enterprises. Good organization is help to growth and diversification of enterprises. Next one.
Optimum use of can use only the optimum uses of resources and work with the skilled people and skilled and
Organization structure is source of creative ideas and innovation of ideas.
second, a tool of achieving object. A good organization have the goal to achieve the goals, and they have goal to achieve the
Prevent corruption. So, can somebody tell me about corruption or meaning of corruption?
मतलब जैसे कोई अमाउंट थी सर, जैसे ऊपर से आई थी और सर वो उसके आधे पैसा हमने किसी काम में ला दिया और आधा अपने पास रख लिया.
And prevent means रोकना. So now we know about how to prevent corruption. How to prevent corruption in business. So usually corruption exists in those enterprises which exist a level of sound. A sound organization is help to prevent corruption by raise of morale of employees. He motivate the employees and greater and do to greater efficiency and devotion and duplication of work. Overlapping and duplication of work exists in those enterprises which do not clearly identify the work and they do not have to how to give work. Such usually a good enterprise needs a good one and they need to